Tesla Cybertruck prototype shown in detail in a new leaked walk-around video. Ooh, cool. Haven't seen a lot of Cybertruck stuff. Is this in the Texas facility over there? Are we just outside of Austin? Is that what? Whoa, look at this. Cybertruck Owners Club on YouTube and 592 subscribers. About to blow up.
Yeah, so it's a nice little walkthrough of, I guess, a prototype, but it looks pretty finished to me.
Well, but those rims seem off. I mean, is that what the rims is going to ship with? They don't really fit. Is that what's going to ship with?
The design?
Do you think they do?
He doesn't mention it in the video, but most of the talk is the windshield wiper.
He had to do it. Yeah, you had to have a windshield wiper. It's not the best looking thing, but how are you not going to have a windshield wiper? You have to have it.
Yeah. I think closer to the launch, I think the more and more I like it. It has like a really nice sheen to it.
Oh yeah, it looks great,
nice
man.
Design.
Get used to it. Get used to it. Hey, humans can get used to anything. You see enough of these on the road, you can be like, it's a Cybertruck.
I guess to see it in a video that is not like overproduced. It's not like in the middle of the road, and it's not like picturesque.
The other new thing here is the mirrors. We're seeing the mirrors.
The side mirrors.
Yeah. So all the safety items, the wiper and the mirrors is the thing that you would leave off of your big unveiling because it looked so much more cyber without them. So it's definitely less cyber, but that is a honking wiper, ain't it?
It is, yeah.
Woo! Baby.
Probably proprietary, you think?
Oh yeah, that's one of one right there. It's such an odd windshield shape, and it's a one singular wiper, unlike you would typically have two shorter ones. But yeah, I think the rims are kind of surprising to me. The wheels.
Yes.
People feel very strongly, by the way, about rim/wheel terminology.
Right.
You best get it straight.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Those are wheels right there.
They don't kind of go inside, which I think we were all really curious about. Because, I mean, Tesla doesn't really show the inside.
It also, this bed portion doesn't have the cover installed, although it was only really shown off with that retracting cover. So that's another interesting component. I'll really use it. The shape of it, for me, is quite practical because I use the bed all the time, but I could actually use a little more height, covered height in some sections to pile up hockey bags.
Yes.
If I got like a bunch of them.
Yeah.
And because what ends up happening is you're just squishing and jamming. You got no height to work with. You can't stack. You're not stacking it unless you open the bed, in which case, well, I don't know if you saw the weather recently. You can't be you got to leave that cover kind of closed.
Yeah, you don't want to squish.
Let me tell you something else about retractable covers. They freeze up. So keep that in mind if anyone's going to have this in a cold climate. They freeze up. So you want to, sometimes I got to pour hot water on my retractable cover just to melt the seam so I can shove it back. I don't know if they have a plan for that. Maybe there's like a heater. Maybe you could put a defroster on it or something.
Maybe.
Can we talk about these wheels, though? Do you accept these wheels?
No. I mean, let's look at the mock-up here.
No, the mock-up had these big, huge, futuristic-looking things. But I would say you could use that wheel, but should it be like a matte finish or something? The mock-up wheels look like the Warthog.
Yes.
From
the Halo
which is the original. I mean, he mentioned the inspiration. But look at it without the wiper and without the side mirrors. But what can I say?
Yeah, you
have to have those things.
Yeah, regulations and all that.
It doesn't have door handles, though. And the mock-up did have door handles. So what's that about?
So they mentioned in this video that you can just tap your phone.
Right.
And it would just unlock.
Right. So it just comes open a little bit, kind of like the Mustang Mach-E.
But I feel like they have to change that as well.
For safety?
For safety, yeah.
Oh, I'm sure there's a way to get out from the inside, if that's what you're wondering.
Yeah, but to get in from the inside, or from the outside?
Out from the inside, in from the outside.
Yeah.
Talking about the jaws of life over here.
Yeah.
Don't go crashing your Cybertruck. Well, you can't get, I mean, the Cybertruck's indestructible anyway, Will.
Sure.
As long as you're in there, you got no problems.
Okay.
Slam into anything.